Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through and here's a step-by-step guide on how to inject an external drive from Synology NAS DSM. So to get started with a quick and a straightforward guide on how to do that, so the first step is to log into your DSM. So to do this, open a web browser, then go to your Synology NAS IP address or quick connect URL, then sign in with your admin account. Then from there on step 2, you have to open the file station. So to do this, click on the file station icon from the DSM desktop. Then on step 3, you have to find the external drive. So in the left sidebar of the file station, scroll down to locate the external drive, usually listed under a name like USB shell or Ester shell or similar. Then on step 4, you have to eject the drive. So right click the external drive name, then select eject from the context menu, then wait for saved removal. So DSM will process the request. So once completed, the drive will disappear from the file station. Now it's safe to physically unplug the drive, and that's how you can simply eject an external file or external drive from Synology NAS DSM. Thanks.